Test, test. All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Monday's Asian Session stream. We are live going into a new hour. We are 20 minutes into the 7 o'clock hour, and we are going to take a look here at some trades. We've got a bunch of volume coming in on a couple of these. So we're going to take a look here. Right now we're looking at GBP AUD. As you guys know, it's my favorite is break of structure. Ribbon flip and break of structure. So we're going to break down what's happening here. We had a solid break of structure here with a full close above the EMA ribbon. So we'll write that out, but solid break of structure. And you know what that means? As long as we get a candle confirmation closure above the line, we are going to take buys. To be quite honest with you, we're probably going to get in buys sooner than later, being that we did start the stream a little late, but I've been eyeing this trade for quite some time. We're going to go down and take a look at a couple other ones. Euro JPY really has no structure right now at all. So Euro JPY, nothing we can really do about it. It's got no structure and it's just sitting at a support. We don't know if this is a break and retest, or if this is in fact going to be driving down, but it could be a break and retest to go back up. So we're not sure on that one. We're not going to touch it. I'm going to unflag that. Euro AUD should fill the zone. If we look at that, it's about 36 pips. Not bad. It's a good looking trade, but well past the ribbon flip, so we could see some retracement as it reaches this zone right here. We could see it start to retrace a little bit, so not 100% one that I'm looking at, but we'll definitely keep it as green buy. All right, so this one's interesting. GBP NZD. So this will be the third or fourth time now. So you had 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is now the fourth time that we're trying to break a resistance zone. So if we can get a close above this green line right here, which, let me delete this TP from the other day. If we can get a close above right here, closures above for a buy. So we're going to write that in here. Closures above the line for a buy. That's definitely looking like a solid trade right now, but we do need it to close above. So GBP NZD is one that we're going to look at. CHF JPY is the same thing as that Euro AUD trade. It's kind of at a spot where we don't know if it's going to reverse or if it's going to just keep driving through the zone. So not something that we're going to get in right now. However, it's not a terrible looking trade, to be quite honest with you. So we're going to move on there. AUD NZD kind of had a break of structure here and then rejected back down. It's trading within 2 zones, so we're not going to touch that. USD JPY should probably fill this zone. It's for 36 pips. Most likely going to see it fill the zone. It's on a downtrend. So it's most likely going to fill the zone, guys. That's something that's pretty... It took a lot of time to verify, so it missed the live alert in Discord, so I can manually add it now. That's awesome. Perfect, man. I can add it too. I can add it too. I got it. Oh, you got it. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate that, Adele. If anyone needs help with a Discord server, Adele's your guy. Man is solid. We did switch to Discord, guys. So, I don't remember how to get that link, but I will get it from Telegram here. We did switch. So, join Discord. There we go. See which one did it. All right, there we go. Send it in that one. USD JPY does look like a solid sell, guys, on the 4 hour and on the 1 hour. It did retrace a little bit off this low that it's hit 3 times, so we're going to hold off to actually get in it, but it does look decent. GBP CAD looks like a solid buy right here. On the 1 hour, let's take a look at the 4 hour. The 4, it looks like it could retrace a little bit off the EMA ribbon, but the 1 hour looks like it could go for 21 pips, 22 pips until its next rejection zone. GBP AUD is the most promising right now, though. We've seen this trade before, this exact break of structure. We've taken this exact break of structure before. It's very similar to the one that we took last week. The chart is almost the exact same too, which is wild. But yeah, so this is a solid looking trade right here. GBP NZD is absolutely flying. If we look at the 4 hour, I think we're going to get our closure above to break some new highs, most likely. USD JPY on its technicals is a sell for almost everything. What we're going to do a little differently on this stream, guys, is we're going to be looking more on the 15-minute than anything else. What I've noticed is that I've had to end streams because of I'm trading on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So we're going to adjust the strategy and do the exact same thing, but on a smaller time frame. That way we can actually close a trade on stream. It's really important to close trades on stream to show that we actually know what we're doing here and that the system that we have works. So, with that being said, we're going to look a lot at the 15-minute. However, it's going to be based off of the 1 hour and the 4 hour. We're not in anything yet. We're still just kind of looking. There is no news tonight, so we don't have to worry about that, thankfully. There was Canadian news this morning, so that did have a little bit of an effect on the market. There was some red folder Canadian news this morning. We didn't trade this morning. I was going to trade this morning, but there wasn't really anything that looked decent at all. So, no trading this morning. Alright, let's see what we got here. Where is the trade that I really liked here? GBP CAD does look solid, and GBP AUD looks solid. Again, we did have just a solid break of structure here, and then as long as we can get the close above the previous highs, that's when we'll get in. Hopefully everybody's having a good day so far. I appreciate you guys. What's up, Brain Rot Boy? How you doing, man? So what we're looking at here is buys on GBP AUD and buys on GBP NZD. All the JPY pairs are selling right now, including USD JPY. GBP CAD does look like a buy, except the 4 hour doesn't look that good. So we're going to untag that. Let's look at the 15-minute here on So the high that we're talking about on this one right here, we're going to draw just a ray here that kind of shows where the high has been. That's our high right there. So if we could have this kind of flip green and flip bullish, we'll look to get in a buy here. But this is also a solid looking trade. We just need this to break the high. And it's very similar to over here as well. Closes above the line for a buy on GBP NZD. And then USD JPY just totally retraced back up on this. So we're going to need to see some sort of bearish movement to actually get in anything. But we just got a new 15-minute candle pretty much everywhere. So right here, and this is a strategy that I like to use a lot, when you have 3 fair value gaps and a ribbon flip with a bullish candle close above the ribbon, it's a really good indicator that the chart is breaking out, and in this case it's breaking out toward the upside. So when you have 3 fair value gaps formed and the ribbon flip with a full bullish candle closure, it's a great signal that it is now changing. But what we do need to see is it break the previous highs. So we're not going to actually get anything into this yet. We're going to want to see it break the previous highs with a full closure above, and then that would be our indication to get in. Or if it comes down here and doesn't break this, we're looking at a new support. So this could be a new support for us. And if that's the case, we'd look to get in buys. But again, it hasn't broken this since December 8th. So we want to be wary about entering a trade until we're sure that it is going to break out and move past that area. See, we're getting bearish movement here. You're getting bullish movement on USD JPY. This is why we don't get in, just jump into a trade. What we're seeing here is retracement on all of them in the opposite direction of what we thought the trade was going to do. So again, this is why we kind of sit and wait to see what's going to actually happen. Yeah, 23K on Euro JPY out of decently strong resistance. Hasn't broken this since December 9th. But you had a massive sell-off right here. A ton of bearish movement right there. Ribbon already flipped. It's already made its move, so this could be a rejection and a move toward the upside. But we're going to have to wait and see there. We have about 28 minutes until we get a new hour candle. So if we take a look at a lot of these, I mean, again, huge retracement, huge wick. This could be filled, or we could see this reversing on us to finish a W pattern. Same with Euro AUD. If we get a close on the hour on Euro AUD, we could look to see this move for almost 40. This is a pretty good one right here because you had a strong resistance and then a strong support here and then a breakout. So this is actually a really nice looking trade right here. And then if we look at it on the 15-minute, same thing. Looks like it's just waiting to break. I think what we'll wait to do is on the hour. We could enter here and then re-enter on the hour on Euro AUD. I like this trade the most right now. So if we were to enter a long, our stop loss would be right there and our take profit would be up here. Stop loss is actually going to be a little tighter. It's going to be closer to right there. So let's pull up Euro AUD on our broker. Euro AUD. All right, so we entered a buy on Euro AUD, guys. We entered in at 1.77176. 1.77176. We'll put some, take profits here and make them green. And then our third will be just above. So we're gonna send this, copy image, send this out to everyone, let them know we are long on Euro AUD. Premium announcements, free signals. There we go. Alright, so that's out in both the Telegram and the Discord. Like I said, guys, so we are moving everything over to Discord now. A lot of fireworks and blasts coming out of my window already. Oh, yeah, you said it's like 4th of July. I'm sure. 5 a.m.'s a little early, though, no? That's awesome, though. Alright, so we're going to put our stop loss right down here. And our take profit way up here. So we are in on buys, guys. What's the actual name of the day, Adele? What is it called? It can't be called 4th of July. What's the actual name? Victory Day. Well, happy Victory Day, Adele. If you guys didn't know, it's Victory Day in Bangladesh. It's like 4th of July in the United States, apparently. Big deal. Big deal. Independence from Pakistan, 54... Was it really only 54 years ago? Wow. Huh. Elliot Trades, what's up, man? Good to see you back. Hope you're doing well. Hope everybody's having a good day so far, guys. We are in live on Euro AUD buys. We may enter again if we get some retracement on the hour candle. But we are in on Euro AUD buys. Couple pips in profit. 4 pips in profit. Damn, that's wild. If you're just joining, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. We go live Sunday through Thursday. Up to 340 subscribers and 340 videos. So I appreciate everybody that's following along on the journey. We are currently six pips in profit on this trade already. And our first take profit is set for 22 to 23 pips. Glad we can help. If you're just joining, guys, welcome. We are in long on Euro AUD. We are in buys on Euro AUD, currently sitting 6 pips in profit. If you just joined us, it's not too late to get in. We're looking for a 30 pip swing here on the 15-minute. On the hour, it looks like we're probably going to get a little bit of retracement and keep going toward the upside. Hey, Elliot, if you're watching, make sure you join the Discord, man. It's free. It's going to be free for the first 48 hours here. It's for everyone to get in. Once you're in, you'll never have to pay. New people that join after will, but I'm letting everybody in free. I should really just do the first 100 are free. First 100 people in. We're converting over from Telegram to Discord based on Adele's recommendations here. So hopefully everybody joins in. Awesome, man. Thank you, Elliot. Man, this looks good. This is a solid looking trade, guys. We did break the highs of the previous two. I think we should see a breakout towards the upside here within the next hour. Yes, sir. All right, we are still long on Euro AUD, guys, for those asking. Oh, I don't know if that's it. Adele, can you send Elliot the link? Or I can do it, right? Yeah, I can do it, can I? Yeah, there we go. I got you, Elliot. Hold on here. You should be able to see it now. Let me know if you can see that, my man. We got 3 more minutes until we get a new 15-minute candle. Actually, 2 more minutes. Until we get a new 15-minute candle, guys. 2 more minutes. Beef, what's up, man? Hope you're doing well, brother. Hope everyone's having a good day so far. Let me know if that worked. Awesome. Good. It worked, Elliot. Awesome. Didn't work? That's weird. I have Adele working on it right now. Maybe he knows how to fix it. Huh, that's weird. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's not letting you in there, but we are gonna fix that. Adele, you got any idea on that? Alright, here's our new 15-minute candle, guys. Gonna get in a second position here. We're in two positions on Euro AUD. Nice. Hope everyone's having a good day. We are in Euro AUD longs. New 15-minute retrace 2-hour entry, which is a good sign. It has a lot of buying power, a lot of bullish movement. Over 17K on the volume. We're trading on the 15-minute, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour. All is confirmation here. We're looking pretty solid on this trade, and we just had a full bullish confirmation. 13 more minutes if this closes bullish again. Be another great confirmation that this trade's going to go to at least TP2. Audio stream. Huh. I'm gonna let Adele figure that out because he knows what he's doing. He's the one that's helping me build it. I'm still learning the back end of Discord. But I have full faith in his capabilities. If you're just joining us, guys, we are long on Euro AUD. We did get some retracement back to our entry, which is not a bad thing. Like I said, we're going to expect that going into the 1 hour candle here. If we see any retracement, it's probably going to be to about right there on the new hour candle. Nice, we got the economic calendar from... That's pretty cool. Got a lot of really cool things coming in this channel, guys. $10 minutes going into the new hour candle. Looks like we are still getting some buying power. Ribbon flip was 3 candles ago, which is solid. And full green, bearish, bullish candles closing above the zone. This is a solid buy. If you're not already in this, it's not too late to get in. We have retraced back to our entry point. So if you're not in this trade yet, I would suggest doing so. This is where we are at right now on this buy of Euro AUD. Oh wow, the economic calendar portion's pretty cool. Got a lot of really good information on when major economic impacts are happening. All on the server, so you don't, it's all in one place. You don't have to use a bunch of different websites or anything. It's pretty cool stuff. We have 8 minutes until we get a new hour candle, guys. 8 minutes until we get a new hour candle. Yeah, it's awesome, man. Previous, it has... I would have no idea how to do this. We've got the free signals, the YouTube live, the trading discussions. I gotta stop opening that by accident. Every time I open the trading discussions, it starts putting my mic on in there. I'm like, oops. I didn't want to do that. Seven minutes, guys. 7 minutes until we get our new hour candle, which should be an extremely bullish candle. Buy sides, that's for sure. If you're new to the stream, guys, appreciate you joining. Make sure you like and subscribe. Go live 4 days a week. We're looking to see some movement to finish the zone here. It looks like what we could expect to see is somewhere around 40 pips toward the upside here. Our first take profit is going to be well into the zone here, about halfway up. Our first take profit is almost 20 to 22 pips up. That being, we had such a strong support right here where it really consolidated in this area. And as you can see, we have this big green bullish candle that finally broke out. So what we're going to see is some price action going upwards, and we should fill this zone right here. So if you're wondering why we're in the trade, well, that's why. Even if you go to the 15-minute, it's using this fair value gap pretty strong as a support. I drew the white line here where the lowest I think we'll see it go. But we're going to watch this going into the new hour here in 5 minutes and see what kind of happens. But I expect to see a little bit of retracement here for us to fill the wick moving forward. The movement after the consolidation is what I really like to see. I mean, this consolidation went for quite some time. Look, it went for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost 11 hours of consolidation before it broke out. So it's a pretty good sign that we won't see it dropping underneath that previous low. Yeah, 4 hours of consolidation is a good amount of time. Or I'm sorry, 12 hours of consolidation. And if we look at it on the 4, it's got nothing but room on the 4 hour right here. It's got nothing but room to go. It's been pretty bullish for 4, 8, 12, 16, almost a day. It's been pretty bullish, so we should expect to see the zone filled. The probability of seeing that is pretty high. Based off the technical analysis of both the ribbon flip, the bullish sentiment that it has, and as well as the amount of buying volume coming in. We're at 20,000 in volume with 3 minutes until our new hour candle here. If you're just joining, guys, welcome. We are long on Euro AUD. We've got 3 minutes until the new hour coming in here. 3 minutes until we have a new hour, and what we're trading off of here is we had some consolidation for a long time, going back to the 12th of December, and we finally have had a breakout and a full candle closure above the EMA ribbon, as well as a breakout of this zone here. So we've made it out of the consolidation point, it looks like, and we should start to see the zone filled. And as I mentioned earlier, to fill the zone, we're looking at around 40 pips, so this could be a pretty solid trade. If you're not already in, you certainly can get in. It's pretty much right around where we got in the trade to begin with. So this is still an active trade that you can get into without any issues whatsoever. I'll probably be entering another position here too on the top of the hour. If we get the retracement that we drew is right toward this white line. It would be the previous highs that we broke and halfway down the previous bullish candle. That's typically what you can expect, is for it to create a wick down and then rocket off. That's what we're currently looking at right now. If you have any questions on that or want to know why we're doing that, feel free to ask. I have no problem explaining. Monday streams, baby. Monday streams. Happy Monday, everyone. Hope everyone had a good day. That's awesome. So the news channel is updated. If you are in the Discord server, you'll now get updates that are automated to let you know when to and when to not trade based off the news. Of course, I'll always have my input on when we should and shouldn't trade. You're more than welcome to trade at your own risk, but the fact that it has the previous and the forecast is awesome. All right, so the new hour opened here. Yeah, the Canadian has the high impact red circle. Yeah, I see that. On the trim CPI, the median CPI year over year, and the Canadian CPI month over month. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Every 12 hours, it'll give the signal based off the news. That's awesome. I wonder if I can show this. Yeah, so here, if you guys want to see in our the new Discord group, this is what it looks like. It shows the news, and it's automated. As you can see, high impact, high impact, high impact. What we want to pay attention to is the high impact news in this channel. That's the one that's going to have the biggest effect on any currencies. It's really cool that it's automated and in there. I didn't know you can do that, but that's awesome. Back to the trade though. We are right around the entry point here. Our new hour candle just hit. And our new hour candle is moving bullish. It opened bullish, which is good. We had a very little amount of retracement, but there's the move that we're looking for right there. If we can break the new high, the previous high too, it'll be a good sign. I'd really like to break this previous high right here. We're only 3 minutes into the hour candle too. We're seeing some good movement. If you're just joining, guys, welcome. Appreciate you joining the stream. We are long on Euro AUD. We have a new 4-hour coming here at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're going to see a little bit of retracement, but we should still see this fill the zone. Again, we're in longs on Euro AUD based off of a long consolidation pattern that's been broken with a strong bullish movement. huge shout out to my man Adele over here for helping with the new Discord, guys. If you want to get in the Discord, the link is pinned to the chat, guys. All of my signals, live stream signals, news signals, trading discussions are all going to be done through Discord now. So if you're not in it, get in it. It's free for now. So anyone that gets in now is going to be free for lifetime. Anyone that gets in now will be free for life. Couple pips in profit here. We are 3.8 pips in profit, a little over 15 bucks. Elliot, you still can't get in? We'll have to figure that out. I'm not sure why. I wonder what happens if I add you. I don't even actually know how to be honest with you. Yeah, try your phone, see if that works. We'll get all of it sorted out here. We're on the ground level right now. All right, looks like we broke the previous highs, guys. We did just break the previous highs, which is a great sign 6 minutes into the new hour candle. You should be able to send links now too, Adele. I made you a moderator so you can send links. Yeah, I made you the, what's it called, moderator too. Managing moderator, so you should be able to send links and everything. If you're just joining us, guys, again, welcome. We're long on Euro AUD all night. Awesome. Elliot's in. Awesome. Yeah, looks like he's in. Let's go. Hey, where did that thing go that I sent in that welcome tab from Nice. Awesome. Heck yeah. That server welcome message. In the lounge, got it. There we go. Yep, I see it. Awesome. Again, if you guys are just joining, you have a chance to get in for free to the new Discord server. We are converting everything from Telegram over to Discord. All of it. Okay. Got you. Alright, hold on. Let me delete message. Deleted it. Alright, got it. We're good. We're good. We're good. To announcements. Boom. Nice. Awesome. Yeah, we got things working here. We got things working over here in the Discord server. I'm actually really impressed. It's a much better platform than Telegram is by far. It's not even close. Alright, we're getting a little bit of retracement here on this trade. Going into 40-50 minutes left in the this 4-hour candle, which is to be expected. Like I said, right around the white line is where we're going to see a little bit of retracement, which is fine. We can take a look at the 15 too. Looks like we're going to see some retracement to this area. Yeah, I agree with you guys. Yeah, I hopped on a call before this with Adele, and he was explaining it all to me, and it seems like a much better system. So looking at this 15-minute chart, guys, see where I drew this white line again? Consolidation right here after a breakout. That typically happens. You had a breakout with consolidation. We're going to get a little consolidation going into this 4-hour candle. By the time the 4-hour candle is formed, we'll probably have a little bit more consolidation over to here, and then we should see the movement toward the upside for sure. Yeah, I can send it to you. Oh, I see. There you go. Logo sent in there. And then if you want, I don't know if it'll let me send the spinning one, but this is the one that I'm going to use for mostly, if I could spell. I like that one the best. Yeah, I'm gonna get the nitro. I'll do it after the stream. I'll do it. Alright, we just got a new 15-minute candle here. New 15-minute candle with some drawdown, which is fine. Again, like we said, white line is what we expect. Working to get an American accent. That's funny. No, you speak just fine. Just fine, my man. Pretty good. Pretty good. We're going to do some promotions on TikTok. I'm going to do some paid promotions on TikTok to get people into the Discord. We're going to do, I think we're going to do first 100 people are free. 100. Do they have an API to do payments too in there? Oh, right. Yeah, that's what you were saying. Yeah, that's cool. Whoop plus Discord. Got it. Got it, got it, got it. Oh, yeah, I know. Oh, yeah, I'm not worried about it. I've been doing this a long time. We're gonna succeed. we're gonna succeed. No doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. Consolidation's looking good on the FEG here, guys. Consolidation on the FEG is looking solid. Yeah, we're doing exactly what we thought here on this FEG. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Yep, 100%. Oh, I agree with you 100%. This consolidation on the 15 is a really good sign right here. We're going to get a new 15-minute candle at 8 minutes too. I'm going to add my alerts here like we always do. I don't know if you guys do that on your charts or not, but adding your alerts is super key. If you're not looking at your phone or you're not on your computer and you're in a trade, that's the way to do it, is alerts on TradingView. Alerts on TradingView, man, they are lifesavers. If you're not trading with your actual take profit set, you should always be trading with a stop loss, but if you're not, trading with a take profit is the way to go. That way it lets you know on your phone, you can just pop it open real quick and close the trade. Super clutch in my opinion. But anyone should be able to join with the link, right? There we go. There's some buying power coming in. Maybe this 15-minute candle will flip green on us here. Yeah, like 20. 20 to 22. Yeah, like 20, 22. Alright, so we should be... should be moving up here. We're getting some consolidation right at our entry point, which is not a bad sign. Alright, so I got Nitro activated. Alright, so we should be able to... There we go. Yeah, we got the spinning GIF now. Can I share my views on gold? Yeah, I don't trade it. But I can look at it for you. Yeah, sure. All right, let's take a look at gold. Cutthroat wants us to look at gold. It's consolidating right now, buddy. It is... There's your support, there's your resistance. It's consolidating on your EMA ribbon on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour. Yeah, I wouldn't touch it, man. Look, it's right in between a zone. You see that? Here's your resistance, here's your support. It's like right here with no sign whether it's going to go this way or this way. It looks like it could be a buy, but you have a FEG right here, a red one, that's serving as a resistance. So, to be quite honest with you, man, I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't touch gold, man. You're going to get a new hour candle here, and you can see what happens, but as of right now, it's consolidating literally on the EMA ribbon. This is the definition of trading within the zones. And, like, this is no-go, because you got a 50-50 shot if it goes this way or this way. You know what I mean? I wouldn't touch a cutthroat. I'd stick with what we're on, to be quite honest with you. Buys on Euro AUD. Yeah, no problem. There we go. We're getting some customization on this now. If you're just joining the stream, guys, welcome. We're moving up here. Euro AUD, we are in profit. Only a couple pips, but we are in profit. We've been holding profit for about an hour. Let's break the highs going into the new 15-minute here. Just got a new 15-minute candle with a nice little breakout here. Looks like our consolidation period's over, guys. If you're in this trade, we just broke the previous highs of the 15-minute consolidation cluster here. And looks like this is where we could see it. Don't know how many pips will break out to, but if we can break out to 20 and hit TP1, that would be solid. We have created a new high on this new 15-minute candle, though. It is moving up. We're looking good here. Nice, man. Texas State University, huh? Congratulations. Think you'll get in? You want to move to United States, huh? That's awesome. Oh, you got in. Nice. You going? Are you going for sure? You don't know yet. Are you just doing it online? Like, are you just doing online, or are you going to go in person? Heck yeah, that's awesome, man. Congratulations. That's a big deal. That's a huge deal. Nice. I have a lot of friends that live in Texas. Heck yeah, that's awesome. That's sweet. This 15-minute candle went up. Now it's adding to the consolidation right here. We're sitting right at our entry point here. Greatest country to ever exist, yeah. Not wrong there. If you're just joining, guys, welcome. Again, we're in longs on Euro AUD, but I most importantly want to point out that we are moving everything to Discord officially. If you're looking to get in it lifetime for free, now's your chance to get in. And there's the movement we're looking for on that chart, by the way. 6.5 pips in profit, almost up to 8 pips in profit. I do sometimes if I see a setup I like, but my setups are a lot more, they're a lot, I wouldn't say different, but I'm a lot more strict about what I enter on crypto setups, because there's a lot of news that impacts crypto. Like if we look at Bitcoin right now, wow, Bitcoin's at 80K? Really? Yeah, like look at, like we talked about this. It went from 94 and it never came back. We said it was going to go to around 76. It's at 85. Yeah, I mean, you could enter a short on it to 83. That'd be the only thing I'd be comfortable getting in. A short to 83 or to 80. If you were looking at Bitcoin. But I'm not looking at it. Euro AUD took off, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We are, oh my goodness, 16.6 pips in profit. Signals. Apply. 16.6 pips in profit. There we go, guys. That's a move right there. That's what we wanted to see right there. Well, we talked about it. We broke it down. We talked about it. We broke it down to a T. What was going to happen here, guys? We said we were going to see a little bit of retracement to the white, and then we should take off because we had the full candle closure. Move your stop losses to break even for a risk-free trade, guys. Or use a trailing stop. That's a pretty good trade there. A little over... We are right over there. 20 pips in profit. 19.9, 20 pips in profit. There we go, guys. Boom. Thank you, Elliot. Yeah, that was a good trade right there. We just took profit on one of them. My take profit triggered. And, yeah, my take profit triggered on one of my positions. I'm going to hold this other one, and we're going to move the, TP1 was knocked out. There we go. There we go. I mean, it depends. If you took the same thing that I just took just now, you would have been halfway there. Depends on the lot size, but it's a good trade, guys. It's a W trade right there. We made 91 on our first one, and yeah, that would be awesome. We're still in profit here too. Nah, I'm not gonna enter another one here. We're just gonna let this ride. I'm leaving one runner. The stream just end? What? No, we're still good. Just skipped out there for a second. I was about to say, we're back in profit again. About to get a new 15-minute candle. Our second trade is in profit. Let's look at the 4-hour real quick. Yeah, what a trade that was. I'm closing in full, guys. Closed in full. That's a good trade live, guys. TP1 smashed. Closing in full. I don't need to hold any longer. That's a quick... How much was that? Let's see. Account history... Take the profits and enjoy. That's exactly right. Here we'll there you go. It's not bad right there. 91 and 74 on the day there. $91 and 74. So congratulations, guys. That's going to be it for me tonight, guys. No reason to overtrade. There's no reason to keep going. We made almost $200, a little less than $200. There's absolutely no reason to keep pushing. We could certainly look to get into another trade, but I'm not going to. So, thank you guys. Adele, you and I will talk more, but I appreciate you guys very much. Everyone who's watching, who shows up each day. Thank you guys. It makes it enjoyable for me, so I'm not just talking to myself, and hopefully you guys are learning something too out of it. So thanks again, guys. Great stream. Great stream. I hope everybody has a great night. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Elliot. We'll see you tomorrow, brother. Have a great night, guys.